3 ingredients is all you need to make these diabetic bagels. Get over to the supermarket because these diabetic bagels will not spike your blood sugar and they'll impress the entire family.
I cannot wait to show you how to make this.
The secret ingredient in this recipe is carbquik. Now stay tuned because I'm going to talk a little bit about carbquik. I purchased mine at Drug Emporium, but they are available at Walmart. Now the infamous everything bagel seasoning. So Trader Joe's came out with this a couple years ago. If you look at the ingredients, they're super simple. I have no idea why my camera is fuzzy, but look at this. The good old Walmart has come out with their own. And before y'all poo-poo Walmart, look at the ingredients on this. They are pretty much the same. And then I used Preheat 2% plain yogurt. Remember the carbs in this is only 5. Grab your measuring cups, non-stick foil, pans, yes it's old, your non-stick spray, and parchment paper, and a bowl. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now take that old pan and let me say this, y'all, let me say this. If it's not broke, don't throw it. Y'all, I think this pan is older than my children. And one of them's 12, so that goes ahead and tells you something. But look, baby, I ain't throwing it out. These old pans were great. It ugly, I get it. We're gonna line it with that non-stick aluminum foil, but let me know in the comments if you are that person who keeps your old silverware in pans. Get your bowl, add a cup of your carbquik to it. And then we're also gonna add half a cup of our 2% yogurt. Let's talk about this first. Well, fat-free yogurt, I do like it. It doesn't bother me as long as they don't have a lot of added sugar to it. In this recipe, we do need a little bit of fat. I'm not using full fat, I'm still using 2% because I also wanna keep the calories down. I'm a person, I like to use the spoon to scoop it in. Again, this is gonna be our half a cup. Now I'm using a fork to mix these items together, and it's gonna take a little bit. And while we're mixing this, let's chat about this carbquik. So many folks I work with, my patients and my clients, are always asking me about a really good flour for diabetes, for pre-diabetes, for insulin resistance. And if you don't know by now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dietitian Shelly. I spend the days working with individuals to lower their blood sugar, improve their hormone levels. We do it by using food. My little tagline is food to nourish, a body to flourish, with all these fabulous recipes. And if you're that person who wants to improve their blood sugars and overall health, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Now, I suggest carbquik for items that you would use for things like biscuits and pancakes, kind of those heavier recipes. And while you've seen me do a lot of recipes with almond flour, it's nice to switch it up with our carbquik, especially in biscuits, bagels, and pancakes. Now, my favorite part about carbquik, it is high in fiber. Remember, fiber keeps us full. It has 14 grams of fiber, 2 net carbs, and no trans fat that damages the heart. Let's get back to our recipe. I place the bowl to the side. I'm gonna lay out my parchment paper, and I'm gonna scoop the dough in, and I'm gonna form it into the ball. Now, you can take your rings off before anybody freaks out. Yes, the ring is off. And I'm gonna flatten this, and I'm gonna shape it into a ball, and then you kind of see I'm shaping it into a bagel, and I'm placing it on my pan. So I'm kind of doing those little holes with it. I mean, you could really do whatever you want, gang. I don't want you to feel glued to make it into a bagel. You could just lay it out as it is. And I'm sprinkling the everything bagel seasoning on it, spraying the top of it with our non-stick cooking spray. We're gonna throw it in our oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Look at this. Look at this. One more time, look at this. These bagels are diabetic friendly. They will not spike your blood sugar. They are so easy to make. Run! Don't walk to the store to get these ingredients. And to remind you what they are, scroll down in the description box for that recipe. And hey, don't forget to grab your 7-day menu. It's free. As always, gang, much love. Be sure to like this video and subscribe.